Hello everyone, this is Deepashri. In our previous session, we learnt about principle of energy meter and its types, the BIS recommendation pertaining to the mounting of the energy meter. In this class, we will learn about calculate the load and select the number of sub-branch circuits, estimate the load in the circuit, select the proper cable size for branch main circuits and the supply system, estimate and list out the accessories for the given wiring installation. Estimation of load, cable size, bill of a material and cost for a wiring installation. We take a typical residence as an example to calculate the energy consumed. A minimum of 2 lighting sub-circuits can be provided in each house so that in case of faults in sub-circuit, the entire house is not plugged to total darkness. Considering not more than 2 sockets outlet, the load on the power factor should not be restricted to 3000 watts. Estimation of load requirements. Electrical installation in domestic dwellings is basically designed to cater to light, fan loads, electrical appliances and gadgets. The following recommended ratings in the table shall be considered to estimate the current carried out by any branch in the circuit unless the values are known. The table helps us to know the recommended ratings for the following appliances. For incandescent lamps, 60 watts. For ceiling fans, 60 watts. Table fans, 60 watts. 6 ampere 3-pin socket outlet points, 100 watts. Fluorescent tube, 40 watts. Power socket outlets, 16 amp, 1000 watts. Example. Estimate the cost of material for wiring the PVC channel for an office room having 2 lamps, 1 fan and 1 6 ampere socket outlets. To estimate the cost of wiring, the electrician must follow these steps. Type of wiring to be decided, PVC channel. Position of the electrical points or loads has to be decided as per the requirement. The layout of the office room should be prepared as shown in the diagram. Total load to be calculated in the given example. Tube 2 numbers into 40 watt is equal to 80 watts. Fan 1 number into 60 watt is equal to 60 watt. 6 ampere socket 1 number is equal to 100 watt. Circuit or connection on the diagram for the office room has to be developed. Calculate the length of PVC channel required based on the layout and circuit diagram. Length of PVC channel in roof is equal to 5 meter plus 3 meter is equal to 8 meter. Vertical drops is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 2.0 is equal to 3.0 meter. Total 8 plus 3.0 meter is equal to 11.0 meter. Adding 10% tolerance for 1.1 meter, which is 11.0 plus 1.1 is equal to 12.1 meter. Calculate the length of the wire and size of the wire based on the layout, circuit diagram and load. In the given example, the total load is 240 watt and the current taken by the load is I is equal to P by V into cos theta, which is equal to 240 by 240 into 0.8, which is 1.25 amps. Hence, PVC copper flexible 1 square millimeter wire is enough to this circuit or room. However, since this wiring comes under the category of commercial wiring, for safer side, we may choose 1.5 square millimeter PVC insulated copper flexible wire. Assume vertical drop is 0.5 meter for tube lights and 2 meter for switchboard, then the length of the wire required is from A to B and vertical drop 2.5 plus 2 meter into 5 is equal to 22.5 meter. From B to C and vertical drop 2.5 plus 0.5 meter into 3 is equal to 9 meter. From B to D vertical drop is equal to 3 plus 0.5 meter into 3 is equal to 10.5 meter. Total length is equal to 22.5 plus 9 plus 10.5 is equal to 42 meter. Adding 10% of tolerance, which is equal to 42 plus 4.2, which gives us 46.2 meter. The maximum number of wire runs in a PVC channel is 5. Hence, 19 mm into 10 mm PVC channel may be used. List of electrical accessories required with complete specification has to be prepared as shown in the diagram. Also, calculate the cost of material as per the present market rate. In this class, we learnt about calculate the load and select the number of sub-branch circuits, estimate the load in a circuit, select the proper cable size for the branch main circuits and the supply system, estimate and list out the accessories for the given wiring installation. I hope you all understood this topic very well. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in our next session.